Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. I got so many requests from you guys to make something Steven Universe themed, so that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Today we're gonna make a recipe that is easy mode. We are gonna be making bonbons, and not just any bonbons. We are gonna be making ice cream bonbons. Yum, yum, yum. In French, bonbon means good, good, and I would agree with that. They are very good, good, yummy in my tummy. I can't wait. If you're not familiar, Steven Universe is an animation series, and the main character, they have these like powerful gems and they save the world and the universe from monsters. And Steven, his gem is so similar to this cavity in the gem mold in my baking line because the bottom is shaped like a pentagon. So today we are going to be making Steven's gem as an ice cream filled bonbon. Let's get started. This recipe is so easy. You only need 3 things. 1 is a mold. I'm going to be using the one from my baking line. 2, some candy or chocolate melts because you can dye white chocolate, different colors, any color that you'd like. And last but not least, some ice cream. And also you can use any kind of ice cream that you want. I'm gonna be using vanilla ice cream so that my flavors today are gonna be vanilla and strawberry. It's basically like a smoothie. Now without further ado, let's put it on together. First up to making this dessert, we've got to melt the candy melts or chocolate melts, whatever you're working with. To do so, I'm gonna be using my melting pot, cut them open and pour them all into the pot. Turn the pot on, flick it all the way over. Oh, yeah. After a few minutes of heating and mixing, this is what it should look like. Once your candy melts or chocolate have melted, you just put it on the middle setting and that will keep them warm. Take your mold and we're just gonna scoop in a little bit. We want to coat the bottom and the sides. What we're doing is we're making basically a little candy cup and then we're gonna fill it with ice cream and coat the top with candy melt as well. Once you've filled all your molds, lightly tap on the tray to help get out all the air bubbles. After you have your candy cups made, let them harden. You can leave them here at room temperature or you can pop them in the freezer for 10 minutes. I like to do that because it's faster and I get my ice cream bonbons faster. Okay, I just popped these out of the freezer. Our candy cups have hardened. Now add your ice cream. Over here, I have some vanilla ice cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You can see all the little vanilla beans in there. Using a spoon, scoop a little bit of ice cream into each bonbon. A good tip here is not to overfill your tray. It's tempting though, it's pretty hard. Just put a little ice cream in the middle and leave some room on the top for the candy melt. I know what you're thinking, leaving room. It's really difficult. I have a hard time doing that. Even when I'm eating dinner, I'm like, Ro, you gotta leave room for dessert. So after you have the ice cream in the little molds, pop back into the freezer again once more for 10 minutes. And while you're waiting, have a treat. Took this out of the freezer and before it melts, we're gonna add the final layer, which is gonna seal our bonbon. So scoop a little bit of your melt on top. Then I'm using an offset spatula to just smooth it out and take off the excess candy. Woo! Ooh, these are looking good. Final step, freeze for the last time. Pop these in the freezer for 10 minutes. Our ice cream bonbons have frozen and they are ready to pop out and enjoy. I really like silicone molds because to loosen these little treats, you give them a little tug and then pull the other way. Flip upside down and put a little pressure. Boop, 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 boop. There we go! And ta-da! There you have it, our Steven Universe ice cream bonbon gems. I love making this treat because it is super easy mode and very customizable. You can use any type of melting chocolate or candy melt and any type of ice cream, so you can fill them with whatever you'd like. I'm gonna be taking pictures of all of these little bonbons and posting the recipe on RosannaPansino.com, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, so you can check it out there. And if you guys make these treats, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. Also, if you have any other ideas for any other nerdy nummies, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to make it happen. All right, thanks again, you guys. And now I'm gonna have one of these. Yum, it's like strawberry vanilla. This tastes like a milkshake. Okay, I took a really big bite, but these are delicious.